Hey guys, long time no, I don't see you guys. Long time no film, I guess. For those of you who don't know, I'm a senior in high school right now. I gotta sit down. I'm a senior in high school right now, and so, hi baby, I know. So, my school is kind of like class during the day, or I have a class in the morning, and then I have a little bit of a break, and then, sorry, okay, I have a class in the morning, then I have a little bit of a break, then I have like an academy class, which is like an elective kind of, and then I have a break after that. I have an hour and a half break after that, so I'll usually like go home and eat or take a nap or chill out, take Kyra to run around. I just did not feel well for a second. Well, not for a second, but like as of a few seconds ago. But so yeah, and then after that I have another class, so basically I only have like 2 academic classes a day. And so tomorrow I should wake up really early because I have to take my SAT, because I kind of want to I need to go to school more. I kind of need an education. So tomorrow I have to wake up early to take the SAT, and I only have mechanical pencils. We can't use those. So Kyra and I are about to go on a little Target run so I can get like the number 2 pencils that I need. So I thought, I haven't posted in a while, so I'll just make a video on like our little Target run. I'm gonna take her outside and we're gonna do a little, oh, she's eating a bone. We're gonna do a little bit of fetch, get a little bit of energy out. I don't really think she has a lot right now. She seems pretty tired. Go play ball? Let's go play ball. Then I need to, it's like where all of her stuff is. Grab her gears. Right now I just use her red gear. I have this beautiful vest from Bryn, but I am waiting for the patches for it. They're being made right now. Between them. Stop. Thank you. So I put like all of her, I'm sorry, did I choke you with my hand? That's why I put like all of her gear on and just tell her to go between. Sorry, I tell her to go to between, and then I put her like collar on like that. That's how I usually do it. Love you too. Yeah. Alright, so come out. I almost forgot her treat pouch. She's gone. She's all the way over there. She knows. She's peeing now. Put the stuff in the car first. So I have hands. I have like her gear here, treats here. I'm gonna use her Luger's rope hands-free leash. Open this. Oh, okay. Not yet. Not yet. She's like, I'm ready. Oh. She's like, I'm ready, Mom. Put the keys up there. Come on, out. Yeah. Bubba, can you sit? Come here. Sit. Sit pretty. Yes, that's a good girl. Oh, I didn't throw it yet. Dodo. Alright, I'm gonna play some fetch. You can't see her all the way over there, so I mean, there's not really any point. You can only see her eyes. Alright, there you go. Throw the ball probably one more time, but she just pooped, so we're gonna drop it. So we are going to head out there after this. Kyra, come. After this thing. Can you spin? Good girl. Ew, oh my god, her tongue is so gross. You can't, she's blurry. Come. Get her tongue, ew. Kai, put your tongue in your mouth. You're so gross. Okay, one more throw. we're in the Target parking lot, and I will now gear Kai up and myself with my treat pouch. Should probably tie my sweatpants. That's smart. Parking lot. Waiting for the elevator. Let's be back. Fourth floor. Wait. Girl. Looking at mom. Someone just really distracted her. She has an eye boogie. Someone just really distracted her, and that was really upsetting. My mom needs this one. Alright, so that was kind of a bust. I actually ended up. Oh yeah, you should get off. Heel. I ended up not filming a lot because everyone was distracting her, and I'm not feeling the greatest, so heel. So yeah, everyone was like, oh my god, and like making kissing noises. I'm not feeling too well. So I ended up feeling wrong. But she is really good. It's a really short trip. I only got 2 deodorant and pencils. I guess we're just gonna go home now. I really don't feel like I'm actually probably gonna sit in the car for a little bit because I shouldn't drive when I feel like this. That's that. I'm sorry about this video. And, I'm actually gonna sit back here with her while I take her gear off. So now I can speak louder because people were just staring at me and going, oh, what's her name? Come here. Can I pet her? Oh, she's so cute. Oh my god, look at the dog. And you know, I wasn't really feeling well in the first place, so it was kind of not fun. And Kai was like, what are you talking about? I had fun. So yeah, I didn't film a lot. It was really a quick trip. We didn't really do a lot of training. It was more her just working. We didn't really do training. She knows how to heal, and that's basically all she did. She did a few alerts, and she focused pretty well. Okay, do you have fun? I think we're just gonna go home now. And Kai probably wants to play more fetch, but we won't be doing that because of how I'm feeling. So we're probably gonna just go home and go to bed. I guess I'll still post this video. It's gonna be fairly short because of the fact that it wasn't really a great trip. I'm just gonna post this video because I haven't posted in a really long time. I think I haven't posted since I was in California, which was a couple of months ago. So I'm gonna post this video. I'm sorry about how short it was, and it wasn't like that great of a video just because of what was going on. Sorry for not filming all of it. I wish I kept the camera on so you could hear all the people. I don't know, it's really late. It's Target almost closed. It closed in like 30 minutes, I believe. I thought it wasn't gonna be that busy, but it was pretty busy. Yeah, okay, I'm just gonna end this. Thank you guys for watching. I know it was kind of a shitty video, but you know, I need to get a video out there. I haven't posted in 2 months or over 2 months, I don't know. So I just wanted to put a video out, but I will be filming more often because yeah, I need to be more active. So yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.